People, welcome to my channel again. This next video is about the Crawford family. How when we ask for stuff on a Getty. Yeah, the whole Jamaican people them can relate, the whole Caribbean said we, you know what I mean? Anytime at all we ask for stuff on a Getty, we get so defensive, like whatever we asking for is ours. You know what I mean? Please remember to subscribe, watch, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Yeah, man, share amongst your friends and family and enemies and everybody. Big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in and hope you guys enjoy. Boop.
Yo, what VIP here that?
I eat me general, fully bad.
I eat me fully bad.
Fully bad, me check you, where you dead, man.
This a bumbo club boy, yo got your yard dog, you can't come in as a party.
Yeah, we get a bus in that part.
No man, you can't bust it dog, where money there, 1,000 have to come in there.
1,000 your bumbo club. In the party we go share that, I mean, blood clot and the money, where you talking?
Alright, show me 1,000 and I'm let you
Show me
free.
1,000.
Show me 1,000 and I'm let you free.
No, me say me a boss there. Just remember what me tell you. I you live on the right up a hillside of Stanley shop. Yeah, remember that. Me say you drive a great either and live by 12 o'clock a morning time. Remember no?
Yo dog, you can go on in there.
I eat me general. Come make your call is.
Yo, man, I don't credit dog, I don't credit bumbo.
And then the big phone there, 11 Pro Max.
Bumbo call this man dog.
Yo, just know star, I don't know bad man, you fucking head shape bad like a Jamaica.
Yo dog, if you come and customer on my phone.
But right now, I can't buy credit, so I don't have money right now. That me I make you know. So I have a cigarette with out in the head, I'm a real bad man. That me I make you know. So the iPhone there, I have credit, brother.
Your iPhone after the bumbo clock to this man.
So then go on,
credit dog.
your blood clot thick like a alpaca, man.
But I'm barely get a car. The truth that I'm not great. But them tough like your hard life.
Yo, buy me a beer now, dog.
When we get money from brother?
I mean, buy get money from where your pocket look.
Yeah, watch my package with a gun, my business fucking job won't tough like a cement bag.
Yo, Frankie, how you doing?
There, me Jimmy, there. Where I chop?
Buy me a frost now.
Yo, move for it to someone. I have to talk about frost. Yo, move for it to someone. I'm killing one, man. It's me up to me, man, brother.
I say this day.
I mean, by this, yeah. I mean, up to me, man, but yo, move for it to someone. How you want? Yo,
Blood clot of jail like chips.
come back here. Yo, go look at that. Go look at that.
But I can't pay any money.
Yo, Kevin, alright, free. Yo, you can't subscribe to my YouTube channel and thing that.
Brother, man, no time for that, brother.
You're fucking very big and you're fat, you're fucked.
I'm telling you, there's a big phone here. You beg your car, I'm telling you.
I'm with you, man.
Find a big phone here. All the people, you fucking it, man, like a clappers.